Anywhere between 15 to 20 fairs.
Or 2 or 3 in a year.
But around 4 to 5 on average, yeah.
Near about 50 to 60 fair.
Of calling a celebrity, who's either in film or television, who's a very well-known face, and that adds a lot of, an element of inquisitiveness and an element of desire that, they'd like to come and see that particular person, be able to exchange a few words. Well, actually, you see, that varies depending on the climate. Now, for example, right now you have summer, and the halls at Pragati Maidan and other exhibition halls, as you put it, they're very uncomfortable because even though there is AC, it is not functional to the extent where you can beat the heat. And conversely, if it's in winter, it's always more pleasurable to have it at those big, exhibition grounds.
It's like Pragati Maidan sort of areas are better because person are coming from a middle class family as well, from a lower class family as well, and from a high class family as well, and it's a place where all people can conveniently reach. So it should be like a Pragati Maidan sort of area.
I think a Pragati Maidan is better because if a student is coming to a 5-star hotel, what happens is that if he wants to have a coffee, he's not going to spend $1,000 in a 5-star, right? Pragati Maidan, they're more relaxed, they're more themselves. We get better turnout also. As my experience from this tells me, I think Pragati Maidan is a better bet than this.
See, it doesn't depend whether we are in a hotel or whether we are in Pragati Maidan. What we expect is the right audience. We want the right students to come in. It really doesn't matter, but definitely in summers we would prefer a hotel so that at least air condition would be there. But otherwise it doesn't matter to us.
They should give proper advertisement in the newspaper on time, pre-releases, post-releases, right? They should have a tie-up with the coaching centers, with the schools.
Just like, basically good potable drinking water, good toilet facilities, good menu so far as the catering is concerned. The organizers need to also ensure that it's properly marketed so that maximum number of people are aware of the kind of situation and that affair of this nature is going.
A certain amount of merchandising in terms of all the advertisers, participants have detailed brochures about the programs that they are giving. And certainly in terms of the venue, it's very important. It should be, visitor friendly. There should be parking and, easy accessibility.
It will go to, they don't care about anything, they care about content. Okay, content is the good seminar and good quality of exhibition. If everything they find it, I think and we made sure they're comfortable. Yeah, they find the right directions, right environment, right AC, right lighting, right areas defined, not too much cramped. Yeah, that's what they look for, and we made sure that. One is a specific focused marketing for each exhibitor. Okay, each client we do that. Second, what we do is we've kept hospitality in mind, and we've made sure good food. Since it's a 5-star hotel, they expect that much.
Something?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, during the book fair, we also do. We have volunteer students who be there in the book fair. We have some information counters, so people come there, they visit the book fair, they share their experiences. After that, we provide them all the contact details of NBT, and we receive a lot of emails from the publishers that what is the next event, when it is happening, what kind of events you are going to organize, how can we involve. Sometimes the people who want to be involved with the book fair, they contact us. So every time we got reference from the last book fair only, and people involved with NBT, people get associated with NBT in many other ways to be with NBT to organize this event.
Social media is the medium of today, and here again I suspect that they have not fully exploited the potential that the social media has, because had they done that, maybe the footfalls would have been much more. I am of this firm belief that the power of the word of mouth is much more than any jamboree that you organize or you participate in.